I hope you all are doing well. If you are around 50 years old or above, whether you are diabetic or not, today I will share some essential foods that you should include in your diet. As we age, especially after 50, our legs become weaker, our muscles lose strength, and our energy levels decline naturally. However, there are certain foods that can help prevent these issues and keep you strong even as you age. As we grow older, our body starts losing essential vitamins and minerals, which leads to weakness. To counteract this, let's discuss some foods that can help maintain strength and vitality. One of the most important foods for people over 50 is green leafy vegetables, especially spinach. Spinach is rich in iron, which plays a crucial role in maintaining strength, boosting immunity, and increasing hemoglobin levels. If you include spinach in your diet at least 1 to 2 times a week, it will help reduce weakness, leg pain, and fatigue. Eggs are a superfood and should be a part of your daily diet. They provide essential proteins, vitamins D, K, B12, magnesium, and calcium, which are particularly beneficial for diabetics. Eggs also help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent insulin resistance. Some people believe that eggs raise cholesterol, but this is a misconception. Eating 2 to 3 eggs daily, including the yolk, is safe and highly beneficial for maintaining strength and energy levels. Oats, also known as porridge, are an excellent source of energy for older adults. They help maintain blood sugar levels, strengthen muscles, and provide essential nutrients like vitamin D, calcium, protein, and magnesium. To enhance its benefits, add nuts and chia seeds to your oatmeal for increased energy and improved metabolism. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which helps boost immunity, detoxify the body, and support liver function. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning cleanses the digestive system, strengthens the immune system, and prevents infections. Sweet potatoes, also known as shakarkandi, are rich in magnesium, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent food for preventing muscle weakness and maintaining a healthy weight. They also provide energy and help combat fatigue, especially in diabetics and elderly individuals. Chicken breast is a lean protein source with minimal fat content. It contains 22 to 28 grams of high-quality protein per serving, which helps maintain muscle mass and provides sustained energy. Regular consumption of lean meat supports overall strength and mobility. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. It also provides essential vitamins like D, K, calcium, and magnesium, making it a powerful food for maintaining strength and reducing age-related weakness. If you are 50 years old or above, whether diabetic or not, including these foods in your daily diet can significantly improve your energy levels, muscle strength, and overall health. These natural foods will help you maintain vitality and prevent age-related weakness. Stay healthy and strong.